All right, today's my last day here in California, and I know I wear this shirt way too often. I don't know why. I pack for like 2 months at a time and have all these different shirts and like hoodies and all kinds of stuff, and I wear like the same 4 things out of like the 15 things that I pack. But anyway, last day here in California. It's a beautiful day. There's a golf course down there. But yeah, today I guess I'm going to Huntington Beach to hang out with some Michigan friends, the Trampwall tribe, who now live here in California, and they do the coolest, most like insane like trampoline skills up and down a wall. So I'm gonna go to the beach and hang out with those guys and a few other friends, and then yeah, make it the best day possible, and then go off to Salt Lake City tomorrow. So stay tuned for the fun. So I'm waiting for Tanner Witt. Some of you guys know him as Toad. I've been here waiting for a little while. He's like, oh, it'll be 10 minutes. It's never 10 minutes with him. It's always like multiply that times 3. So I'm still waiting, just chilling. Nice weather. There's a tennis lesson going on back there. But yeah, I guess I'll learn a bit about tennis and eat my snacks while I wait. Okay, quick update. He finally arrived and we're super late, but that's okay. Look at this little green Toad mobile. And I got my my caffeine for the day, so time to go do some flips. All right, we made it. We made it. Look at that. Woo! Now everyone else shows up. Time to do some hood rat stuff with our friends. My body warm up more. Look at these hose. Uh-oh.
Oh my god! Fuck! Oh. I'm tired. I'm hungover. I'm a lot of things.
I just told you.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
I'm Z.
Mike, nice to meet you.
Okay, Mike. I'm Basha. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Basha.
What's up, fatty?
Did you know I said hello, dude?
Oh, new haircut. Damn right.
I'm Jake.
Oh, you're Jacob?
I'm Jacob
This
now.
is Jacob right here?
How's it going, homie? What up, what up? All right? New man. You didn't want to hug me. I didn't. You were like, oh, what's up, guys? What's up?
All right, not quite sure what's going on, but like you can see the ships way out there that aren't normally out there. So it literally looks like there's about to be a war or something. Like good old Huntington Beach. King of flips.
Oh!
The boss.
let's flip. Come. Fucking trying to set up as high as I could. Ah, it's my first ever landing.
All right, Z showing off as usual. He's gonna triple.
Victory, everyone! Again, it's gonna happen, bro. You're okay.
End my life. Everybody hop in this.
Yeah. Woo. All right. Thank you. Hold on. Okay. I'm definitely gonna tag you guys. All right. One more. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so
Okay. We now have the mini tramp here.
What is this?
More homies showed up. Woo! No, because you're in it with me. Guys, these are friends of mine from home.
Way back in the day.
Way back in the day, and now they live out here in the beauty of California, and they've left Michigan.
I don't know what to do with my hands. You're great. You're doing great. You're gross.
Ew.
Yeah, it's
The sun is setting pretty cool. Wow, this actually looks like a painting. Like through a camera.
damn.
Doesn't even look real. Mystery urinator.
Why am I peeing?
I don't know.
one
It's a
knows.
mystery.
I don't fuck with those, but I feel like you could hit that easy. Yes. It gives you a shit ton.
It looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, let me just dangle it.
Jake, you guys do something? Bigger middle split than me. Fuck, I wish I was that flexible.
I put my right in front.
That's perfect, so we'll go next to each other.
After you guys are done. Or should we do it like next to each other this way? Basically, when you land a split, high five.
So funny! Wait, then shouldn't we be switched to my left?
It doesn't matter because our legs are going to be next to each
Better.
No, need it for the kiss. Need it for the kiss.
Ow! I'm not flexible.
All right.
Did you film this?
Trying to organize everyone to get together and actually do something all at once is about to be hell, but we're trying for this aerial drone view. So it'll get thrown in here. But yeah, we're all trying to organize that now. All kinds of stuff going on. We're incorporating Moses. We're incorporating all of us. Boom, 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 boom. Let's make it work. Well, fun day here at the beach with the friends. This is another absolutely beautiful sunset. It never gets old. Sadly, I leave tomorrow, so I will not have any more of these sunsets for a little bit, but let's look at this. Wow. Wow. But packing it up. Time to go. Terrell? Yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, wait, what's that?
No, wait, are we drunk trip?
Has always been like, just
We see how close that was.
Okay.
I felt my life like in and around my head area.
You're bleeding.
I actually think you could have made it, man.